welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Tight security and additional polling stations for MDC elections in Khasi Hills. MSPCB shuts down 6 factories in Birnihat for violations. CM congratulates Pinshangan Kurba for historic bronze medal win, and police PET examination successfully held after multiple postponements. And now the news in detail. In preparation for the upcoming MDC elections in Khasi Hills, the Superintendent of Police, SP, Vivek Sam, emphasized the need for 5 additional polling stations. With 34 existing stations at risk of causing chaos and 5 others facing turmoil, the new stations are critical for smooth elections. East Khasi Hills district has a total of 931 polling stations, and strict security measures will be enforced until the completion of voting on February 21st. In a related development, police have arrested 2 suspects who allegedly threatened to detonate bombs in Shillong. Authorities assured that the arrested individuals will receive necessary legal provisions as per court rules.
Well, the law and order situation is very much under control. It is peaceful right now, and we have no reports of any clash or conflict. As the days run by, we'll be getting additional force, and there'll be about 5 companies which will be deployed in East Khasi Hills in toto. That means including polling stations, vulnerable areas, critical areas, mobile patrols, strategic, tactical patrols. So that'll cover in the 5 companies. We actually strengthening our night nakas. That means night checking. There's a lot of intensified mobile patrolling and foot patrolling at night, and even during the day in certain pockets. So to ensure that things are peaceful, things are under control, that the public are safe. As of now, we're taking it day to day. There are a lot of public functions and campaigns which have started in different pockets of the district, and our people are manning those places. Things are very much okay. Yes, the person has been arrested. We identified the person. We've arrested the person. Along with him, another accomplice of his has been arrested also, and a case has been registered. We'll be charge sheeting the case shortly.
Is he related to any group? Or
No, we're trying to establish that.
Yeah.
No. They're from us, our own state police only. They will be deployed as in, three platoons have already been there. So other platoons have already been there. So there'll be, for the polling stations, we'll be needing those many people. Say about 3 companies and all that. Wherever there's vulnerable and critical.
On 5th February 2025, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB shut down 6 factories in Birnihat Riboy district for violating environmental regulations. The factories involved in various metal processing activities were found to be non-compliant with MSPCB's rules, particularly regarding waste emission control. The affected factories include MS Shyam Century Forest Limited, Iron Alloy, MS Khasi Alloys Limited, Iron Alloy, MS SR India Bioproduct Private Limited, Re-Rolling Mill, MS Pawan Castings Meghalaya Private Limited, Re-Rolling Mill, MS FW Ferrotech Private Limited, MS Ingot and Re-Rolling Mill, and MS Nalari Ferro Alloys Private Limited, Iron Alloy. R. Nelamalai, chairman of the IFS, confirmed that the closure was due to the factory's failure to control harmful emissions, posing a risk to the environment. The factories will remain shut until they comply with pollution control standards.
Recently have gone for inspection, and they found that there are many industries are not meeting the pollution norms, and not compliance with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board. And based on that, we have closed 6 industries which in Banihat area, and out of which two have been already imposed environmental compensation also. The reason for issuing closure notice is non-operation of pollution control device and non-transmission of online continuous emission monitoring system, and the exceedance of the pollution limit obtained from the online continuous emission monitoring system, and inefficiency of pollution control device installed. These are the reasons we have issued earlier, and they have not complied, and based on that we have issued closure notices. Now it has been closed. We have 41 industries. 41 industries in the Banihat, sorry, not in the Meghalaya, it is in Banihat area. So red categories are 5, orange categories are 22, green categories are 14, the total 41. Out of which red categories are potentially polluted industries, and orange categories are little less, and green categories are very less. Category out of 5, three industries which are non-operational, 2 are in operation, but based on our inspection we found that they are having some they are not meeting the siting, they are not meeting the pollution norms. So we have issued the closure notice with a time. We have issued the show cause notice with a time to comply. So this time we have given, so that once they submit a report, and if they don't comply with that, then we have to issue closure notice and further action.
Are responsible.
So actually, this is the data they collected from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at CASPOS, the training academy, the Assam side. That is the data. Whereas we have 4 ambient air quality monitoring station located at different locations in Meghalaya. One is at EPIP area, one is in 15th mile and 17th mile Khasi killing area. So out of which 3 stations of the data source, it is satisfactory. 1 is moderate. So our only 3 is threes are within the permissible limit. 1 is beyond the permissible limit. Some actions to be taken. So this is our status of the pollution from Meghalaya side. But now the most polluted city of Banihat is which has flashed in the newspaper and all, based on the data which has been recorded from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Assam side at CASPOS.
How many industries are there in the?
On February 5th, Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla, through a video conference, congratulated Pinshangan Kurba for winning the first ever bronze medal for Meghalaya in the National Games in Uttarakhand. Kurba triumphed in the boating race, bringing pride to the state. The Chief Minister assured that Kurba would be appointed as a government servant under the state sports policy to further encourage and nurture sports talent. CM Samla also extended his appreciation to Kurba's coaches, Ian Vincent, coach and team manager, and Sheila Vincent, who played a vital role in leading him to success at the Indian Championships. The achievement highlights the state's growing prominence in sports.
So, I take this opportunity, first of all, to congratulate our young hero, Pinshangan Kurba, for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So really, you have made all of us really proud. We are very happy and very proud of you, and it is a result of all the hard work that you have put in. So really, we are very, very proud of you, and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the people of our state. And of course, I also would like to congratulate Sheila and Vincent, Ian and Sheila, for all the work that you have put in the last many years. I've been to your place. We have sat down a couple of times. I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing, and really this is, I'm sure, the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come, but this is a beginning. So I congratulate Ian and Sheila and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. So I really once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. At this point in time, I'd like to ask Pinchnine if you want to say something. How do you feel? Yes, Pinchnine, how do you feel?
I'm feeling happy, sir.
That's good. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for the support and all, sir.
Very good. And Ian, Sheila, you'd like to say something?
Yeah, same. Thanks so much, sir, for all your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be here at all. And so, thanks so much, and please continue with that.
Sure.
And there's a lot of potential here in Meghalaya.
So, Pinchnine, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you so that you have security and in the future because you have done us all proud and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
After 2 delays in December 2024 and January 2025 due to lack of facilities, the police department successfully conducted the Physical Efficiency Test (PET) at the 1st Battalion MLP Maoyong Shillong. The examination was reported to have gone smoothly with no interruptions, and candidates expressed satisfaction with the improved management. Dalton P. Marak, IPS Assistant General of Police, confirmed to the USP News Agency that there were no complaints or incidents during the test. However, he noted that some candidates made errors in the race, completing 14 rounds instead of the required 15. The PET examination was an important step for those seeking to join the police force.
Ngohun ban diat pengala diat pen yo ban pendap no ya pet jonga alis mentang yo ben krek ya ka written exam jonga so pet no ndong ai sim ro ya barok di bala mare kon Samla ji khuborkhasi blok biang ya mo we bala yo ta kecinya yo ban yo lat akan ya kecinya lek thap confidence so barok hi kin tiêu bakin koi sa thong tahi ya kan men yang min pat mi la min apta la setiap mare ta kadang sai RBJ ya ngi sayo ya bab sa sini sebar kajing i jonga kajing sem jonga tang i kapiang ti i ga yai bet ya ti kam don chung thut ni ra pat mi ra mi ada abi resort kalau bi thai mi kamu je thai resort lai beje tahi Jimra sama tai biji. Mun habade with the AB you excellent. I'm excellent. Và khăm bas cepat per kamar ya. Oke. Kamu berbahasa tolong setangkar tintas. Hai. Oke.
So kuno halo kadin tapian mare AB bat mentapian mare. Kai kadin so kamlang ha kai.
Ben yang mentar tempat tit mara klempet beje, minit mana per mare dah. Waktu itu dengan peda temu setiap ini result mentah deh, sang result kan mang menang. Ngata kapiang ini mentah sih.
Yang mentah sih,
yang mentah sih aja terus ini. Ada tempat kita yang sini, yang dari uji. Kamat kayak itu kamu yuda, entah kamu. Langsung tuh ini perbawa merek mah, kamu jauh luar dah. Em nak langsung ngata kapiang. Kadang gaji bom baik. Em tasi ta kajimar kapiang mah.
Plong tasi tuan sini yo men step tasi plong yo men si kedunan plong tai. Kam tasi kam shit tasi dah lihat.
Kalau nur ke peniak kapiang.
Kapiang
ke peniak kom.
hal tu sien menang hi pentong nomor ba ngim 4 wan mare pi tu sien 4 day ni dang wan mentah kan ni bukan long wat bar sien
họ thì số được thì số lại đấy
ha ba haju praktis hasnong de ba praktis bhai hi islam ba praktis kabyang hi hasnong tempat kamtip hani te dawan hani ka bhai kamadan tip balai kaman tahi kamla hajika praktis hasnong gen dawan hani te man re kumbadai banla hasnong tu de ka jing kermen te kadon hi nomor mo la praktis te tahi di kermen te don baik pion pilai result pada apa ni deh. Te PCM cũng nó pada company chung company te minta kat abiang. PI cũng nó pada tu ko le CCN pada kini balik minta kadon ka chung ya pair.
Leaders of the NEHU Youth Council HYC met with the Commissioner and Secretary of Education Vijay Kumar to discuss the advertisement issued by the Meghalaya Recruitment Board MRB on January 23rd for assistant professor and lecturer posts in Khasi, Garo and other subjects. The Education Secretary of HYC raised concerns about the allocation of posts, highlighting the discrepancy when 9 posts are listed for the Khasi subject, wherein 1 post is allotted to the open category, 4 posts are allotted for Khasi and 4 for Garo. HYC leaders requested clarification on this issue. In response, the Commissioner assured that the matter would be resolved promptly.
Open category kebungat ba kelamang yang baru aki kenhuan jadi kontup iki dekat rumah hani lamang sipus nam taki general category but saupus lamang nam taki Khasi jentia Garo but saupus lamang yaki Garo kontup ru hani apa ke Garo category subjek Garo hangniru dan spotri ki pos but hangniru lamang haka open category gawe ke pos nata haka Khasi jentia category saupus Garo saupus but ki ada ST gawe pos kejengkeli jong kasang abangi yo pani kedua yo sekretari jong kendal education taksi pelong ba ina panjing syai ba kumno ka nakaliang jong kami Meghalaya Recruitment Board kala board ya kani reservation hakni ki arti ki subject mar bagi tip syai ba numdan lu kena Khasi ban pendap ya master degree hak subject Garo ban numdan ro kena Garo ban pendap ya master degree hak subject Khasi nang taru numdan ro udukhar ubala ban pendap ya master degree hak subject Khasi lani udukharun pendap ya master degree hak subject Garo jika jengkeli kesang kalong ba oleh iri semut oleh ayu la dan kini ki kandidat ya kabalamang ada dai nagi Garo ada dai nagi open category dai naklang ju commissioner la batai ini ba kani ka advertisement ni kabala publish ni kadai ba naklang ka Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board kalau follow ya kapatan jongka roster system bede bet selection policy rai kila dua pat la pusai ni ba naklang ju department hadin ba naklang ju kasang taksi kalau yo bani kedua ba panju syai ba buruk ya kedak jengkeli aku bide ba kani advertisement naklang secretary jong ketenat education unsa Sheme kanika ya kanika bentah kanika isu yang kepada berat kesan menyekan ke personal department pendek hak Khubor ba khadi advertisement baru ni tip syai ba uru long ba tip syai ba dan kita ki kandidat diberi ki Khasi kategori kini Garo lagi Garo kategori kini Khasi but adalah khad yang kita interview maka interview stage nak kalian ka tenat education department dekat kami kerja education Khuborjylla bisa thua ya ka bisa pan ka approval pendek tapi andika jibha ya kini bos kemudian subjek Khasi subjek Garo ya keren kenika jo ke isu bat nakaliang jo komisioner jo ketenan education ula ai ka jumpular ke baskam ni nakaliang jo ko system kia halor bedai bat kenika advertisement pendek marduar bat ban khnang kan numbo ka dak jingkumar ba kadak jingkli khamtam ki candidate ki bedai ka Khasi jentia kategori iPhone yang pak bangi klam iPhone nomor kenika advertisement kan kenika jukhat advertisement halor kini post kan kot arti utrek Februari dahdin ke jong kani sa follow up yang nakaliang jong kasang pada ada hilap ba kimsim la pendek katkum ka jingkular katkum ha keji kedua cuni buat sekretari jong education nakaliang kasang ka sempat ke wiki senjam hang bade bat kani advertisement yang pelan dekat Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board
di ko ekne ka advertisement ba mentah ban pendek nak ne ke ban sawan pendek
ya kani ka advertisement katkum keji tu jong commissioner jong ka sekretari jong ka transaction orang ba ya kani la prepare katkum ka roster system
Naklingba ka personal department. Andrai ki nakaliang ka education department ka sa thor sa personal.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.